Rahul D'Souza from GE. I'm a Senior Technical Project Manager. I recently attended the Certified ScrumMaster training conducted by KnowledgeHut. It was a 2-day event. I've also attended a lot of trainings before, being a Senior Technical Project Manager, some of them in GE, some of them conducted by external vendors. But I really like this training conducted by KnowledgeHut. The training was more about how we go about Scrum. So it taught us about release planning, our roles and responsibilities. What impressed me the most was it didn't have presentations alone, but a lot of activities that helped us relate to what was being taught. For example, some activities were regarding release planning, some were regarding that had role plays involved in it, and some activities involved giving us a contextual scenario and asking us who would be assigned what role. So many of the activities related to how we actually do Scrum even in our current day-to-day jobs. So really recommend this training to other colleagues as well, and thanks KnowledgeHut for the good session.